Plants can't run off where they want to, but they can move where they need to. Their strategy to survive is to pay close attention to the environmental signals such as light, temperature, and nutrient availability, and integrate this information into their growth and development programs, having the capacity, if needed, to dramatically alter their shape, biomass production, and fruit set. Past research has defined different molecular mechanisms by which plants perceive environmental signals and transduce this information into changes in gene expression, ultimately triggering the appropriate adaptive responses. But these studies have mostly been carried out under simple, controlled conditions. The European Commission project SIGNAT is addressing the evaluation of plant performance under complex combinations of light, temperature, and nutrient conditions, and analysing 3 key stages of a plant's life: seedling establishment, vegetative growth, and reproductive development. SIGNAT's approach involves using molecular genetics and other techniques to dissect the different genes that participate in environmental signalling. A fundamental finding of the project has been that some genes participate in more than one signaling pathway, which means that there are interactions between environmental signals. This interaction makes sense because in natural environments, signals are always mixed. SIGNAT scientists have found that phototropism, the ability of plants to bend towards the light, is improved under shade conditions. The mechanism involves 2 hormones: auxin, which increases in conditions of shade and accelerates the growth required for bending, and gibberellin, which attenuates the response to gravity. Plants use this ability to grow away from neighbouring plants. Another key discovery of the project is that phytochromes, that are involved in perceiving light in the red part of the spectrum, also perceive temperature, thereby acting as thermoreceptors. Active phytochrome binds to regulatory sequences of certain genes involved in the regulation of elongation growth, which means that in some plants, an increase in the ambience temperature will trigger an increased elongation growth in the shoot and leaves, enabling plant organs to cool down more easily by evaporation. The international consortium is formed by researchers from 5 countries with strong complementary technical and scientific backgrounds. SIGNAT, unraveling how plants optimize their response to the environment.